troll mo sila. Ang worry ko, sana...
3, 2, and 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the BGC portal.
This is a bridge to a united planet.
Welcome to the BGC portal, and welcome to a shared global experience. And Ms. Julian Gacheco Cantada, the Vice President of Major of the United States, the United Kingdom, Poland, Ireland, and its founding country, Lithuania. The BGC portal places BGC and the Philippines at the heart of a growing global network dedicated to human connection beyond borders. We thank everyone for joining us this evening as we open a new space for shared experience, dialogue, and discovery right here in the Gig City. To formally welcome this milestone, we call on...
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Please allow me to begin by warmly welcoming Benedictas and the Portals team to the Philippines. Welcome, Benedictas, mabuhay. Tonight, Bonifacio Global City, together with the City of Taguig, unveils a truly world-class immersive experience. One that is not only a first in the Philippines, but a first in Asia. As the country's premier business and lifestyle district, BGC has long been recognized as a dynamic cultural hub, defined by creativity, strong infrastructure, and a forward-looking spirit.
Which has since grown, together with CIS and partners worldwide, into a global artwork connecting people across cultures. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Mr. Benedictas Giles.
Dear humans of planet Earth, tonight I feel blessed, grateful, and honored to be here in one of the great capitals of our world and to open this first portal in Asia together with you. This is a bridge to a united planet. It is an invitation to rise above all disagreements, all labels, and all borders. This is your bridge to a united planet. This is your portal. It belongs to you. Dear humans of planet Earth, let's transcend the sense of separation and be the pioneers of a united planet. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bonifacio Global City will officially open Asia's first portal, connecting Philippines to the world live in real time. Let's count together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. For our next group photo, may we call on the Fourth Bonifacio Development Corporation team.
Nato si Mama! Tatay na kami ko! Ano ba yan? Tatay dito! Ano ba yan? Gawin kayo!
Thank you very much, FBGC team. May we now call on the team from Portal's organization. You will be joined by Portal's partners, Miss Samantha Roman and Mr. Esteban Robles. May we call on our partners and sponsors who made the BGC portals possible. Mr. Bernie Lim, COO of United Neon. Miss Mary Grace Lam, President of Euro-Asia Marble and Granite Incorporated. Mr. Danny Casera, Senior Advisor of Global Bank Business. Miss Owen de la Cruz and Miss Jeannie Hino, Manufacturing Private Limited. Mr. Melquiades Alexis A. Castillo, Senior Vice President of XL Contractors and Developers Incorporated. And Miss Jillian Gacheco Cantada, the Vice President of Major Categories Head of Union Bank. Very much to our partners and sponsors. As we conclude the program, we extend once again our deepest gratitude to everyone. The BGC portal was made possible with the generous support of our partners. Euro-Asia Marble and Granite Incorporated, XL Contractors and Developers Incorporated. Habitus Design to the BGC portal, and welcome to a shared global experience.
Tondo naman.
Parang salami yan eh.
Congratulations, BGC. Sige. Go.
Congratulations, BGC! We opened Asia's first portal and let's go, Manila!
Niyaman, kilala ko yun eh. Okay.
Holland po,
Silicon Valley. No, Silicon Valley. You are not. Yeah, Silicon Valley. Pasahero ko yung last time eh. From the airport. Bayabas hotdog. Hindi ako yung interview ka.
Yeah, it looks simple, but it's actually very different. I say the portal is more portal magically. We have a team of engineers, and each portal is more than 100 different ingredients inside, so it's quite complex. What do you mean? Oh, I cannot reveal it because it's an art form, but it takes a lot of money and a lot of work and a lot of people to make it happen. So more than 100 people were involved to make it happen. Tapos ka ba yata sa group? Maybe.
Oh.